and welcome. Before we get into the actual tips of customizing your iPhone, please just first download the apps widgets as well as shortcuts, because you're going to need both of those in this video. Be sure that you also have your latest iOS updates. We are on, sorry about that, iOS 14.6 or something, but you need to at least have iOS 14. Some of the tips that I'm going to show you in this video I learned from Julia K. Krish. She's an Indiana YouTuber in the States, and she is a bomb at all things Apple, so be sure to check out her videos as well. Enough of the formalities, let us get on into it. Now, first things first, when you want to customize your home screen and your wallpaper, you really want to have an aesthetic chosen. Choosing an aesthetic is really important, because, or even just a color, because you need to know what to start with, otherwise you're not going to know what you want to put into your home screen. I struggled with that for a bit. I was like, I don't know what to choose and everything. And eventually I was like, you know what, the winter here is so beautiful. I'm so inspired by what's happening here in nature. There's a whole bunch of golden brown colors and blues and a bit of green, and there's still some color from the flowers. It's truly gorgeous. And in some areas around me you see snow on the mountains. Yeah, so that really inspired me. And then I'm also a mom, and me and my son, we do a lot of things together, so I wanted to incorporate that into my theme on my home screen and wallpaper as well. On the first page here, as you can see, I have got my calendar, as well as I've got a clock there, a photo of me and my son by the helicopter. I've got a couple of the apps that I use quite often on the front page. If I swipe through to the second page, you'll see that I've got a little motivational quote. I've got another picture with the temperature, which is awesome. I've got my to-do list, and I've got some of the other apps in separate folders that I don't use that often, or they are the original apps of the ones I've got on my home screen. That's that page. Then on the next one, I've just got a lovely motivational saying there. I've got a widget of a certain folder of photos that I've put in here. I have changed quite a few of the icons. I didn't change the Apple Music one, the gallery, the calendar, or the reminders, because personally I like those. I like the colors in it. For the WhatsApp and the phone app, the colors were too bright, and also the other apps, it was too much, too busy, so I decided to go with flowers. So I'm going to show you how I did all of this right now. So the first tip that I have is that when you are choosing your aesthetic, if you click onto Pinterest and you go ahead and just, if you're unsure, just type in aesthetic. Okay? That's all you need to type in. And then you can scroll through and you can see that there is a whole bunch of beautiful pictures, and you can decide if you want something that's more fashionable or something that's more old school. I mean, you know, I'm looking for something that's more summery vibes. Oh, this one's quite cute. So let's go with this one. Okay, so this one is pink, white, and green. There's a little old school bicycle. I'm going to download that picture because I'm going to want to put that on my home screen for the photos. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now that we know the colors in that, you can go back into search and you can say old school pink bike. So you can see there's a whole bunch of different bike pictures here. Not really the kind of thing I'm looking for. Oh yeah, pretty bike. There we go. Oh, these are lovely. Okay, so there's this one as well, which is beautiful because it's got a more green color in. I love that. I think that is so cute. Okay. Pink flowers. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so we'll take that one. It's quite cute with the fabric. And then also, oh, that was nice. And then we're going to also look for white brick wall and flowers. Actually, this one, I prefer this one. Download image. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is just go ahead to your albums So I'm going to take these pictures here and add them to an album. I'm going to say new album and write here pink aesthetic and save. Okay, so all those pictures are now in that folder. So what I want you to do now is to find the app Widgetsmith. Here we have it here. Okay, and you can see I've got a whole bunch that I have already created for myself. So what you want to do is you want to click on add small widgets. Click on that widget. Then you're going to click on it again. And over here you can choose what you want to have set as a widget. You can have it as a date, you can have it as photos, you can do step counters, reminders. Personally, I don't use the reminders on the Widgetsmith app. I like the ones that come standard with Apple. So let us go ahead and make a clock first. Okay, aesthetic theme, you're going to click on that and you're going to say customize theme. Now you can decide if you want a system, font, rounded, New York. There's so many to choose from. So let us actually do Palatino. Okay. Then you're going to do tint color. That's basically the color of the dials in that. You can do red, Rudolph, whatever color. I like white. You can choose background color. This is where you need to look at your photos that you have selected for your theme. So there's a whole bunch of those colors there. I think we're going to go really with the pink. You can either choose more pastel pink they have here or pale pink. I think we're going to do pastel pink. You can select the border color you want. But we're going to do white. I like white. Personally, I don't like any of these artworks. I think it's just too much. We click save, apply to this widget only. Cool. Go back, save, and there it is on your Widgetsmith app. To add it to your home screen, you would press on your home screen, hold it down, and click the plus button at the top left of the screen. And you would scroll all the way down till you get to Widgetsmith, small widgets, add widgets. Okay, and there it is then. I'm just going to move my stuff out of, actually I'm just going to remove my stuff. Okay, there you go. So now, actually before I carry on with the Widgetsmith app, I want to set my wallpaper. So I'm going to go into my photos, and this is the one that we originally selected, but I think for the home screen I don't want it to be too busy, so I think I'm going to choose this one here. So you just click the share button, use as wallpaper. Okay, that's cool. We're going to set it as the home screen. We don't want it as the lock screen because we'll do a different one for that. And it actually looks quite cute, pink with the pink. Now we're going to go into Widgetsmith again. So let's do a date. Okay, I like to have month and dates. That's always helpful. Okay, we're going to customize these. There you go. Okay. The last one we did was Palatino. We're going to do white again, background color. We're going to do the same pink again, border color, white, artwork, none. Save, out to this widget only, back and save. Alright, we're going to go here, plus sign, all the way down to Widgetsmith, small, add widgets. Now we need to change that one because it's incorrect. Edit widgets, and we go to this one here. And there it is, you have the date and the time. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing for the photos. But now I want to have one on more of a medium widget, I like that. So I'm going to say add medium widgets, click on it again. And now you can decide if you want to have a whole bunch of photos or just one photo. So for now we're just going to take one photo. Theme, we're going to customize the theme again. We just want a white border. That's cool. Apply to this widget. And then we're going to go select a photo, choose photo. I think that would be, you can always adjust it where you want it. and that's actually quite cute. Okay, save. Then you're going to go again, add widgets, all the way down to widgetsmith. Click on add medium widgets, and then you're going to select the one that you just put, which is there. And you can either have it up there or down there, like whatever you want. Now we need to go into widgetsmith again, because I'm going to just show you how to select a whole bunch of photos. So let's take a large one, click on it. We're going to say photos and album. Okay. We want customize theme. We want a white border. Okay. Select an album, and now we don't want favorites. It was pink aesthetic. There you go. Okay. Then it will play those. But I'm just going to add it onto. I'm going to go add widgets. And it's a large one, so we're going to then click on it, edit widgets, and there you have it. And then it'll keep going through the different photos that you've placed in that album, which is quite cute. Now if you want to change these icons at the bottom here, this is where you need the app shortcuts. Okay, now when I'm making my shortcuts, I like to use the app Canva. Now there are other apps you can use. You can use PixArt or whatever you want to use, or you can just save images straight from the internet. But personally, I like to use Canva because I love their what do you call that word? What's the word? It's not coming. Let me find it. Elements. So it doesn't start with an A. Elements. Okay. So now I'm going to replace the phone call and the WhatsApp over here. So this is how you do it. We go into Canva, obviously. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to click on plus, and we're going to search for pink WhatsApp. Okay. Just search that, go to graphics. Want the graphic, we don't want photos. There's a pink one there already. Okay. Actually, that color white. Oh, there you go. Okay. Then we're going to change the background to be. It looks cute. Okay. So there you go. There you have your image. We're just going to save that. Now you're going to search shortcuts, and we are going to say plus. You're going to go add action, go to scripting, open app, click choose, and you're going to scroll down till you see WhatsApp. You can also just search it, but I'm just scrolling. There it is. Then next to where it says new shortcut 1, you're going to click on the 3 dots, and you're going to say add to home screen. You're going to click on the image, choose photo. You're going to click the one we just made, choose, and you're going to rename it WhatsApp. There you go. Click add, done, and it should be on my home screen. Yes, there it is. Okay, it's on my home screen over here. Okay, let's just move this one off here because I'm going to put it here now. Okay, and that looks adorable, even if it says to myself. I'm loving this pink theme. I'm really loving it. Okay, next one. We're going to go back to Canva because I want to do one for the phone. Canva. And we're going to delete that. I want to keep the background the same, just so that there's a bit more fluidity. And we're going to go phone. Click on graphics. I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to use the iPhone picture. Guys, I hope this is making sense. Also, if you have got your home screens already updated, please comment down below and let me know what colors you've chosen. I'm really interested to know what colors people generally tend to gravitate to. Alright, now that we've done that, shortcuts again. Simple, simple, easy putting in part. Add, done. Cool, it's added to home screen and there it is. That looks so cute. It looks divine. Now personally for this particular theme I probably would change the photos icon and the music icon because it's a little bit too bright and bold for this theme that I've got going here. So let me quickly do that. I'll put it on a time lapse. Okay, so I am done with that and this is adorable, absolutely adorable. And then also, another thing, gosh guys, sorry this video is so long. I want to add a reminder. We're not going to do it through Widgetsmith, this is straight through Apple. You're going to hold the screen down, click the plus button. You want to click on first, for the purposes of this video, let's just edit this. Okay, name and appearance, we're going to keep it that. But we're going to make it pink, okay? Done. There it is, done, plus, all the way down to, where's reminders? Oh, there, reminders. And you can either choose if you want it as a square widget, small widget, lengthways widget, or a huge widget. We're going to go with this one. And there it is. Okay, so that is how my home screen looks now and I really love it. Probably one of the most exciting shortcuts for this is this particular one. Now I don't know if you know, you can plug in your phone and have a sound play for if you plug it into charge or if the battery's running down. You can do a voice memo, you can play a song, all these different things. I'm going to show you what my one is because I live for this. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. So we're going to go into shortcuts, right? We're going to click on automation. Now you can see I've got two already set there, up there. So I'm going to do another one. Create personal automation. Then from there we are going to go down to charger, to when it's connected. I want it to play this piece of music. And we're going to just scroll to the right till we find music. Click on music, library, and I'm going to say one of the ones that are copyright free because, you know, the story. Pebble Beach. Okay, this is an elegant smooth one. There it is. Next. Done. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to power and you're going to see it's going to play that song Pebble Beach. Just be sure that you enable the correct one that you want to play if you've got a couple of them set up. And there it is. It's not downloaded to my phone, so it took a little bit longer to stream the song. So if you have the song already downloaded, it should play quite immediately. Really do hope you enjoyed this tips video. If you want to see any others like this, please let me know. If you want me to show you how I made my wallpaper, if you want to know how I customize my MacBook, let me know. Any suggestions are more than welcome. And I just want to thank you so much for watching this, and please have some fun with the Shortcuts app as well as the Widgets app. But I love this layout. It is so cute. I'm actually thinking of keeping it like this. I might change everything else to match. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.